true.
The wood wall is being installed now. So you said you wanted Shosugiban, you wanted the burned wood. Yep. And then we were like, oh my God, that's a lot of time and effort and energy when this already exists. We wanted Shosugiban on the wall, right? Adam found us something almost exactly like it, way cheaper, and now we could afford that gorgeous chandelier.
It's real wood, and then we make it very thin, and we allow you to install it in a peel and stick format.
Like if I were to burn the wood, I'd be dealing with the charring and then trying to seal it. It's a whole thing.
So you're just happy that you ain't got to do this?
I'm not mad at it, and it looks good. Good job.
Is it good?
It's good.
All right.
We want everywhere you turn your head to be a moment. Everywhere you turn your head is a wow.
Yes. I would say this place is fire. Just feels so personalized and so custom that it just will forever be special.
First shot.